here we go. Virginia Beach Pier. First time here, I have no idea what to expect. Hopefully the audio is not too bad. A lot of military jets flying over us. A lot of wind noise. A lot of people on the beach, as you can see. Pretty jam-packed. Down here with my wife and kids. We're here for the week. This is my first time coming here. I may come back tomorrow if I have some time. You married men, you know how it is. When you're with the family, fishing comes second. It's all about making the kids and the wife happy, right? All right, starting off with the Sabiki rig. I always tend to go Sabiki rig first when I'm fishing a pier, just to see what's underneath me. All right, first cast with the Sabiki. Let's see what's there. Fish on? All right, fish on. First fish of the day. Virginia Beach Pier. Let's see, what is this? I have no idea what this is. All right. First fish of the day. Anybody know what this is? Because I don't. Let's see if I ask some locals what this is. But here you go. Some type of bait fish, I guess. Not even sure what it is. Anybody know what this is?
Yeah.
It's some kind of bait fish. Yeah. All right, first fish of the day is gonna be bait. All right, let's keep this going. All right, second fish of the day. All right, pinfish. I believe this is a pinfish. Yep. Second species of the day, the infamous pinfish. Loved and hated by all southern fishermen. All right, the waters are coming alive. Let's see what else is down there. Oh, I had something on. I had something on. There, here we go. Let's try again. I think I hesitated too long. Fish on. There you go. Fish on. What is this? Third fish of the day. Again, a species I have no idea about. Don't know what this is. Some kind of jack. That much I can figure out. I want to say jack or val, but I doubt it because I see the vertical stripes. I'm gonna have to look this one up. I'm not entirely sure. If you know what it is, please let me know. Comment below. Third species of the day. All right, the Sabiki rig is getting this done. We're having a pretty good multi-species day. That's what I'm shooting for. Every time I'm adding a species to my species list, I'm good. I'm happy. All right, let's keep this going. All right, fish on. Here we go. What is this? All right. A lot of head shakes. What is this? Another one. Another one. Same species as before. type of jack. I'm sorry, I wish I knew. Name of the species. Yeah, this looks like just like a jack crevalle to me. No, the jack crevalle. I'll take it. Well, if it is a jack crevalle. I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about, but you know, this is part of it. I'm gonna have to do my research and figure all this stuff out later. Fork tail. All right, back you go, buddy. All right, fish on. This one feels a little better. What is this? Look at this. I got two at the same time. All right. All right, looks like that jack species again. And then another pinfish. This one I can recognize. I know people hate on pinfish, but I like them. I think they're they got some pretty nice colors on them, and they make great bait. I'll say that much. I don't feel like chopping them up. I want to just keep hopping around from spot to spot. All right, pinfish. Thank you, sir. Mr. Mysterious Jack. I'm gonna call him Jack Crevalle for now. Who knows? Fish on. Huh?
Rod rig? Oh. Dude, it's like the wind's blowing it. Have it in the grass.
All right, there you go.
Can I take that off?
No, I got
pliers?
it. I got it.
What?
Black sea bass. Oh, sorry.
Can I please keep that?
Yeah. Black sea bass. All right, third or fourth species of the day. Black sea bass. Came all the way to Virginia Beach to catch black sea bass. There you go. Thank you, little man. All right, so all that I'm doing here, since I have the opportunity, this is just a regular old Sabiki rig. All right, it's got little hooks tied off of it. I believe this is a size 6 Sabiki hook. Just cutting pieces of squid and just threading them on like that. This is not groundbreaking, but just in case there's somebody out there who has never seen this before, now you know. You want to get out here, maybe you're with your kids, you want them to catch a fish so they have a story to tell. This is what you do. Go to Walmart or your local tackle shop, get yourself a little Sabiki rig, pieces of squid. You can even use clam or shrimp. You could even use fish bites. Throw it out there and just let it stay in the water for a little bit. And it's just a matter of time before they come to the hook. And you'll feel them. They're just kind of pecking away at it. Maybe this will help somebody. Who knows? Hey, look at that. I already have a fish on. That was fast. Okay. I believe I caught this species earlier in the day. This was the first species of the day. It's the same fish. Some type of bait fish. You know, I kept the one before to use it as bait, and the seagull came out and snatched it up. All right. All right, I'm gonna send this guy back. All right, buddy, thanks for biting. It's that simple. I mean, you're not going to catch, you know, Goliath groupers with this technique, but you're going to catch fish. Which, you know, that's the goal, right? The goal is to catch fish. So I'm okay with catching all different types of species, all different types of sizes. I'm okay with that. Just make sure I still have my bait on there. Yeah, okay, good. Let's go out. Let it sink to the bottom. Just kind of reel up so you feel it get tight. The sinker's at the bottom. The hooks are above the sinker. You don't want to lift too high because then you're lifting everything off of the bottom. You want the sinker to stay on the bottom. And just keep a fairly tight line. Another thing with this technique, move. Don't stay in one place. Staying still is the kiss of death when it comes to fishing. At least it is for me. I can't stay still. I don't know if it's just the way I'm wired, but I just feel like I catch more fish when I'm moving as opposed to just staying in one place. I feel like when I'm moving around, I'm hunting them as opposed to just kind of waiting for them to come to me. Yeah. Explore more. Explore more fishing. Yeah. Am I? Yeah, I'm on. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
All right, so there you go, guys. It's over. Time to go back to the family. Had a few hours to fish. Got some fishing done. I'm happy with the day. I didn't catch the biggest fish, but I caught fish, and that's all that matters. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Get out there and explore some more.